Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how you can log into your Minion Rush account with Apple ID. To log into Minion Rush using your Apple ID, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, open up the Minion Rush application on your mobile device. From the main home page, click on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the top of the screen, select Connectivity. Go ahead and find the login option right next to the Apple logo under Networks and tap on it. Click on the Continue button and scan your Face ID or simply enter your Apple ID credentials. And make sure you type in the correct information while typing in your credentials. Wait for a few minutes and you will then be logged into your Minion Rush account with Apple ID. You will now be redirected back to Minion Rush and your account should now be linked to your Apple ID just like that. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.